Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be crocheting this dishcloth. Now I have found that they make very nice gifts and it doesn't take long at all to crochet. Now this dishcloth was inspired by my mother-in-law. She had a crocheted dishcloth in the past. She described it as having big holes, and when you wring it out and hang it, it dries quite quickly. Now this is the pattern that I came up with. She has been very happy with it, and I use the dishcloths myself. Now let's get started. To make this dishcloth, I will be using Bernat Handicrafter 100% cotton yarn. Now keep in mind, you can use any type of 100% cotton yarn for this dishcloth. I just find that the texture of this yarn works quite nicely for making dishcloths and washing dishes. You'll need a 5mm or H crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. We are going to start this washcloth with a chain of 34. We're going to place a double crochet stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. This is the 1st chain, 2nd chain, 3rd chain, and in the 4th chain we're going to yarn over, go through that top loop of the chain, and create your double crochet stitch. We're going to chain 1 and skip 1 chain. So we're going to skip this chain, and in the next chain another double crochet stitch through that top loop. We're going to chain 1, skip a chain, and in the next chain another double crochet stitch, chain 1, skip 1, and in the next chain now to complete this row, go on ahead and finish with this pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Here we are at the end of row 1. I'm going to chain 1, skip a chain, and in that very last chain place a double crochet stitch, we're going to chain 3 and turn. Now for this first stitch of the 2nd row, we're going to place it in that chain 1 space. We're going to chain 1 and place the next stitch in that chain 1 space. We're going to chain 1 and the next stitch in the chain 1 space. Now this is the pattern you will use to complete row 2, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Here we are at the end of row 2. I'm going to place a chain and a double crochet stitch in that chain 1 space. Chain 1, and for the very last stitch of the row, it goes in that beginning chain space. We're going to chain 3 and turn. Now your first double crochet stitch is going to go in this chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet stitch in that next chain 1 space. Chain 1 and a double crochet stitch in that chain 1 space. Now this is the pattern that you will follow to complete your dishcloth. You will crochet a total of 16 rows following this pattern. When your 16 rows have been completed, I'll meet you here to finish up. Here we are at the end of the dishcloth. We just have 1 stitch left. I'm going to chain 1, place that last double crochet stitch, and then we're going to tie off. I'm going to chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull it through. Then all we have left to do is sew in the ends. Congratulations, your dishcloth has been completed. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Have a great day and keep on crocheting.